This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm system. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Normally, this test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. However, this week it is being conducted on Tuesday in recognition of Severe Weather Preparedness Week and to coincide with the testing of outdoor warning sirens done by many communities in Illinois on the first Tuesday of the month at 10 a.m. At this time, take a moment to practice your severe weather emergency sheltering plan. At the very least, answer this question: where would I take shelter if a tornado were approaching Maine right now? The best shelters are in a basement or in an interior room on the lowest floor of the building away from windows and exterior doors. It is important to have multiple ways to receive hazardous weather information. Having a battery backup weather alert radio is one of the best ways. We now return to regular programming.